How's it going? Welcome back to the Daily Grind. Let's take a look and see what we got done. I forgot to do a wrap-up video last night before I left, so let's take a look and see what we got done yesterday. This extract a few leaves in there. It's raining out and stuck to our feet. So area here, let's take a look here from a distance and see what's going on there. So we got this here. All did up, and 2 runs past the door jam. Like I said yesterday, everything all tied in here to this other room. Kind of see how it looks here from a different view. It's going to be real nice. I like doing things a little different, so this is right up my alley. Definitely more time consuming running this on the 45, doing all these cuts and everything like that. I mean, just all the cuts, since it's laying on a 45, makes everything a little bit more time consuming. So, and it also exercises your brain, because this is stuff that you don't do all the time, so it's real nice to exercise your brain and do things differently than you do on a normal basis. Anyway, it's 11 o'clock. Just about what I suspected. We got this run up to the doorway like I wanted to, all done around that rounded step. We got this, ran all the way in there, completed the closet, and we got us a couple more runs up in here, down past the vent. Now we're fixing to take this little break, I guess, and we might be able to get one more run here. I guess we'll probably, man, I don't want to get too close because we're fixing to be sanding here, cutting those jams and stuff. So that's what we're fixing to do. We're going to take a little lunch break, snack break, drink break, whatever you want to call it. Point is break. And when we come back in here, we're going to start prepping all this out. Like I said, I got my big, I got that, and I use obviously my dust extraction. And this right here is a 12 grit. You can see how rough it is. So what's going to be real good for knocking all of this stuff up and getting it down there what I want it to do. To be honest with you, that 12 grit, because it is such big pieces of grit on there, it's not the fastest for sanding. If you would get something maybe, I don't know, 48, 50 grit, something like that, it's going to actually sand faster than that right there will. But that right there will take care of stuff like this. So most of the time I'm not using that to take down thickness or something. Sometimes I am. Most of the time I'm using that to clean up the floor, remove sheetrock mud, paint, whatever's on the floor, just to get it cleaned up. If I have some dramatic sanding to do, I will use my edger. A lot faster to take it down with that than it is that, but both of them together, unbeatable. Well, just if you walk in here and see this, a person up there, well, there ain't they didn't do a whole lot, but when you look at that, you can definitely see the difference. Now, I have yet to hit these joints, which all of it feels good anyway, so if any, it won't be much, but there is a few spots right there that will need filled. Do not want a joint sitting on that. Still got to come in here move that little refrigerator out and take care of this room. So you might think, well, is it necessary? Let me ask you that. Is it necessary? Are we going to be 100% sure that there's not going to be any clumps of that on the floor whenever we install? Is there not going to be any of that left on the floor when we do our installation? Absolutely not. So let me ask you again. Is it really necessary? Okay, so yesterday I was going to run on in to that point, somewhere about in there, just to get through these doorways. Here's what I was planning on doing, but I started to install there and I realized, man, that's a little bit of a slope yet. So I took my board, it's already all notched out and everything, because I was fixing to put it in, and that's when I noticed it was so bad. So I took a board, laid down over it, from here over to there on its edge. Kind of used it like a straight edge. I used it like that, standing up, so I get a true line on the bottom. And sure enough, it was a little too much to deal with, so I brought it up level with what it needed to do, and we called it a day. Looky there, we got a little culprit going on here. Yeah, right there's twice. See if anything else is. I mean, that's gonna be okay. I just knocked down those high spots, but it's not sheet vinyl going down, so we're gonna be all good. Ooh, they got the dishwasher out. I have to clean up and get that stuff out. That's good. They got that going on. Everything else looks good. Go ahead and get this scraped. Oh, that's mine right there. Go ahead and get this scraped and get ready to start running this stuff on out. Right around through. Yeah. It's a nasty day out. It is, huh? Good thinking there. So we have broke out this bad boy to keep our saw dry for our crazy little diamond shaped cuts. Keep this all dry underneath here. So we can work with it. I won't let my saws get wet, any of them. I've had that one for 4 or 5 years now. Still tip-top shape, so I don't let them get wet or anything like that. Okay, well, here's the moment I've been waiting for. Boy, Oh, it don't look good, does it? Does it? Mercy. Well, it might be okay. That's the extra row out, so we might be okay. Let's check it out coming from this way. I so hope this thing matches up. Let's check it out, you know, too. Let's get us a little. He's out there making my cut for this right now. I'm just so doggone eager. I'm just so doggone eager. Let's see how this does here. Shall we? Let's put this little piece right there. Let's see if we have any resistance when we try to do this. I'll stand you up right there. Here you go, Luke. Since you're back, hold this right here for me. Okay. It's going already, so look what you're doing. Okay. All right, that actually felt good. I feel good about that. Wasn't no twisting or anything like that. All righty. All right, let's see. Moment of truth, son. Well, I believe if my noggin gets in the way of your camera, I believe we're going to be all right. All right. Good, son. I think we are good. I've been wanting that done. Wanting that done. Wiki walkie. Got her done, son. I was quite. Actually, I've been worried about that the whole time on this job. That was my main thing. Check it out. It goes. I started all the way in here and it run at an angle that way. It divided right here. Boom. So all of that center area here, plus all the way up there, had to wrap around. Boom. Very glad to have that piece in. Very, very glad. Alrighty, well, like I said yesterday, 2 days ago rather, the very same thing happened again. I forgot to get some daggum footage right before I left. I'm already at home. I just got home just now. Okay, y'all be chill. Be chill. This is a YouTube video. Okay, be calm. Don't be yelling. Cock-a-doodle-doo, okay? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Anyway. We ended up getting a little bit more done than I originally said. So, I said I was going to do just a couple more runs and be done. Ended up getting the dining area done right there. It went around and from the kitchen into that other room. And I went ahead and worked that corner. Moved some furniture around, cleaned up, and then I left. But anyway, we will be back over there Monday morning and work on it some more. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Daily Grind. Until tomorrow, until Monday, FBSB's out. Oh, FBSB, Scarlett and Ashton is out.